Introducing the 2024 Skoda Kodiaq 7S STY 2.0 TDI with 150 horsepower and DSG transmission. This sleek black estate Jeep has only 4380 kilometres on the clock and is loaded with comfort, safety and convenience features. From ambient lighting and satellite navigation to collision avoidance braking and trailer stability programs, this vehicle has it all. With a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specs and a comprehensive warranty, you can trust in the Skoda Kodiaq's reliability. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us or visit mullingarautos.ie to learn more about this incredible vehicle. Drive away in style and confidence with the 2024 Skoda Kodiaq today.